Today we'll talk about how can you lock your accounts on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on your name. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down here, then you come here to log my account, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, click here on yes, log my account. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to lock your account here from Google here on your app. So it's going to take you to this list here. So then here can you you improve your security here or give your code, or here can you unlock your account in this list here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.